Hello guys. Today I will tell you how to actually turn into a convertible. This would be very hard because humans are not that strong compared to other animals. So first you will have to return to monk. I have already made a tutorial on this, but I'll still tell you how to do it anyways. But this may be impossible if you've already gone through puberty. Anyways, you will basically have to change your DNA so that during puberty, your body will produce certain hormones to transform you into a monk. After, you will have to amputate your limbs and tail, since convertibles do not have those. After you heal, you will have to get something like a prosthetic limb, except it is a wheel. Basically, you will have to get a brain surgery that will connect a signal from the cerebellum to wheels attached to you to control movement. Then, you will have to get your senses and emotions removed. You can do this by disabling your parietal lobe and limbic system. And finally, you will have to get another brain surgery to connect wires to your cerebellum to control your wheel movements. In order to remain alive, remember to regularly get your wheel motors fueled, since they are not controlled by you. Also, eat, since your brain still needs energy to control your wheels. Also, in order to make it more like a convertible, make sure to add a contractible roof. You sadly will have to build this on your own because it is extremely hard to do this with DNA. But after that, you can become a fully functional convertible. You can also set up a system that will stimulate different parts of the cerebellum to make steering and driving easier. Hope you found this tutorial helpful, and please remember to like the video. Bye.